Dressing is a sterile surgical technique in which a protective covering is applied to a wound using aseptic technique. These are the articles which are required in the procedure of dressing: 2 trays, a sterile tray and an unsterile tray. This normal unsterile tray contains the following articles. It has a gown, a mask, a pair of surgical gloves, a Macintosh with lining, solution, normal saline, dressing solutions which could be as advised by the doctor, a pair of clean gloves, adhesive tape and a scissors, roller bandage, a bowl containing a few gauze pieces and cotton balls, a kidney tray and a paper bag. Then we have a sterile tray containing the articles like 2 bowls with gauze pieces and cotton swabs, extra cotton swabs, a few more gauze pieces and dressing pads, a dressing forceps and an artery clamp, and a dressing towel to create the sterile field. The unit should be prepared beforehand. Patient should be provided with adequate privacy and sterile technique should be followed throughout the procedure. First of all, we have to prepare the unit by placing the Macintosh with a lining to protect the bed linen. We then place a kidney tray and a paper bag nearby to discard the whatever used material from the dressing. We then wash our hands and using an ordinary pair of gloves remove the dressing which is present on the wound. We check the dressing material for the presence of any soakages and then discard. After discarding the dressing material, the gloves is to be removed in the kidney tray and we go for hand washing again. After hand washing, we can down the gloves, the gown and the mask as per the necessity of the procedure. We then create a sterile field by opening the sterile tray. The last flap of the sterile tray is considered as sterile and is to be opened only after wearing the sterile gloves. The inside of the glove wrapper can be used for creating a sterile tech field if the dressing towel is not available. The gloves is to be worn using the sterile technique. We now open the inner cover of the green sheet. There are 2 ways to use the tray. Either we can use the help of the assistant or we can keep one hand as sterile and the other as assistant hand. We can pour normal saline over the gauze pieces to clean the wound. We take 1 swab each to clean the wound and it discard. We can use betadine solution or any other solution which has been advised by the doctor. We can use the betadine dipped swab and clean the wound using one single stroke and then again discard it in the paper bag. We check for the presence of any exudates etc. and then apply a fresh dressing pad. After the application of dressing pad, we can cover the wound with the help of a bandage. The gloves can now be removed and we can secure the bandage with the help of a leucoplast. The used article can be dismantled as per the hospital policy and the patient is made comfortable after the procedure of dressing.